In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram polls to get more engagement on your stories. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. We're gonna go to Instagram, then we're gonna upload our story. You can do that by swiping right, and you can select a picture that you already have on your phone, or you could just take one. Once you have your picture ready, you're going to tap on this little smiley face, and this is going to open up all the different sticker options that Instagram has. I'm going to go ahead and tap on poll, and this is going to enable me to create a sticker poll for my story. Now, all that we have to do left is to add an engaging question that is going to get some answers from your viewers. Once you have your question ready, if you only want people to answer yes or no, you're going to leave it as it is by tapping on done. But if you want to edit the answers, what you have to do is tap on the question and you're going to tap on the answers. You're going to delete yes, and you're going to tap the two options that you want to have. If you want to resize your poll, you can just move it around with your fingers and you can make it smaller or bigger by dragging the corners out. To make your poll even more engaging, go ahead and add some stickers and other elements by tapping again on this little smiley face, and you can just add different stickers to make your story a little bit more engaging. Once you have your story and your poll ready, all you have to do is tap on your story, and now your followers will be able to interact with your post so you can get more engagement. Hope that helps.